something a little bit different today. Trying to build a 12-volt solar-powered air conditioner cooler for the truck camper. I have this old ice chest. I'm going to cut a few holes in the top where some USB 12-volt fans will go, and I'll cut another hole in the top here for the outlet where the cool air will come out. The idea behind this, you may have seen some of these already on YouTube. The cooler gets packed full of ice jugs or bags of ice, and then the fans blow in ambient temperature air, and then it blows around the ice and then blows out cold air. It's supposed to drop the temperatures by about 20 degrees, maybe 30 degrees if it's working really well. I've got a couple of 12-volt fans here, USB fans. They're just computer fans. Got these from Amazon. They were about $15 for the two of them. I actually ordered two more. This ice chest actually has cup holders molded into the top, and I'm going to cut out each one of them. So I'll have 4 fans blowing air into it, and then one outlet in the top, which I have like one of those register directional vent covers. So it'll sit on top of the hole that I cut in the top of the ice chest and blow the air out. So I'm hoping this will work. We're going to take our dogs with us on our next trip. It's the middle of summer. It's been 100, 105. So I'm hoping this is going to keep the truck camper a little bit cooler without having to take the generator. So let's see how it goes. All right, so what I've done already is I've taken a small drill bit and just drilled a few holes on the inside of these cup holders so I can get on the inside with my jigsaw and just cut these circles out, and that's where the fans will sit on top. I'll go ahead and get to cutting that stuff out. Okay, so I just unscrewed the lid from the cooler just so I have a little bit better access to cut these holes out. Got my jigsaw here. I'm going to go ahead and cut these holes and get the fans mounted. Alright, so with the holes cut out, I'm going to go ahead and mark out where the vent out would go, and then get that cut out. Alright, so with the holes drilled and the slot for the out cut out, I'll go ahead and remount the lid and get the fans mounted. Okay, so with the holes cut, I'm going to go ahead and mount these fans. All right, let's get this vent cover mounted. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and plug in the battery and check for airflow. Okay, so I'll go ahead and get these other two fans installed and do an airflow test, and we'll see with some ice jugs in it what the temperature drop is. Okay, so I got the other two fans mounted there. The one size up, I think they're 120 millimeter instead of the 80. Cut the holes out a little bit bigger on the top for those. Those were the ones that were cut the size of the cup holder. And we'll go ahead and do an airflow test. Turn the fans on here. Both sets of fans are on high. It's blowing air. So 86.7, 86.5, and there, of course, there's no ice in it at all. Empty. Now I'll put the ice in it. I'm just going to get this rack. Alright, so fans are running. That's the temperature of the inside of the cooler. Inside of the cooler temperature after a minute or two. Alright, so this thing's been running for about almost an hour, and temperature's dropped about 13 degrees. I'll do a quick reading here. We're 72 to 73 degrees. And we started out at 85. Battery's still full. It's blowing nice. Alright, so I think it's pretty successful. We ended up dropping about 13 degrees off of the ambient room temperature, so I think that's pretty good. It's blowing nice and cold. The dogs can sit in front of it. I think they'll be fine. If we're gonna go off for a little hike or something like that, they should be nice and cool. So, success!